polyester 50% polyacrylic, and we're going to use a 5mm hook. Color is dark petrol. So to begin in this project, we're going to make a slip knot, but first place your yarn over your pinky finger and rub your 3 middle finger 2 times, 1 and 2. And now your middle finger and your thumb should hold that yarn, and your pinky finger should fold to control the yarn here down. Grab your 4.50mm hook and then place that hook under the yarn and twist it 180 degrees. Now you're back in place, and then yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook. Pull and pull the index finger, not too tight, not too loose. Now we're going to make chain 36 like this. Yarn over and pull through. That's our first chain. And then yarn over again and pull through. That's our second chain. 3, 4, 5, 6. So go ahead, make a chain of 36 and 36. So I have here a total of chain 36. And now I'm going to make 1 double crochet like this, yarn over, and let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 chain from the hook. Insert your hook there, yarn over and pull 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops only, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again. That is our double crochet. This is our first double crochet and this is our second double crochet. And we're going to repeat that 1 double crochet per stitches until the last stitch. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I am in the end. I am here in my last stitch. I'm gonna make my last double crochet there. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is your work should look like, by the way, for your round 2. And then turn and make 1 double crochet again in the second stitch. Skip the very first stitch, which is this one, and go to the next. Insert your hook there and make 1 double crochet. And 1 double crochet per stitches until the last stitch. Here I am in my last stitch, so just count 3 chains. So 1, 2 and 3. Make your last double crochet there in the 3rd chain. And there you go. This is your work should look like in round 3. So go ahead, repeat round 3 until you get the length you want. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. And here I am in my last stitch. I'm gonna make my last double crochet in the 3rd chain. So let's count 1, 2 and 3. Insert your hook there and make 1 double crochet. So this is about 18.5 inches long and 9 inches wide. So you can continue if you want it more longer, or just stop there like how I want it. Now chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. And secure the remaining stitch. I like to make this in a half. This is how I always secure, or most of the time I secure my stitch. And then I'm gonna insert my hook here in the edge, or in the last stitch, this one here, and I'm gonna yarn over and grab that other piece and pull and make a few knots. It's up to you how you want to secure your stitch. As for me, it's easier this way, like this, and then I put them back together and I will just hide it So I will insert my hook here in the first stitch, take them both and insert my hook in the next stitch and grab that, and so on. And there you go, that's it. Very simple and easy to make, especially if you're a beginner and you want to make a scarf, then this is perfect for you. And next I'm gonna grab a block yarn and notebook, which is about 6 inches long. So I will wrap this yarn around this like this. One, okay, just open here and then just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I will cut that here. I'm gonna cut it here, this one, and here in the middle also, like that. And I'm gonna grab that, and I'm gonna grab this one. It doesn't matter where you start. I'm gonna start here, so in the 3rd chain. So 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna insert my hook here, and I'm gonna insert my hook here also. This is, I put it in a half like this and pull like that, yarn over and pull through all of that. Very easy. So I will make it in each of the stitches until the edge, and I'm gonna do that also in the other end.